Can't help it, I keep going to yesterday.
What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. In today's video, we're going to be recreating this look from my previous couple of videos. Many of you had asked what eyeshadows I was wearing. Unfortunately, I filmed that video, but when I was transferring the files, it disappeared. We're going to recreate it, and this is the look that I think pretty much resembles the makeup from those previous videos. So if you guys are new here, hi, I'm Christine. I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. To start off this look, I first applied the Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores Primer to my T-zone, fill in my enlarged pores. Next, I went in with the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I'm going to use a bit of the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer to carve out my brows. Today, I use the new IT Cosmetics CC Plus Oil-Free Matte Poreless Finish Full Coverage Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum, which also contains the SPF 40. I already filmed a whole review and demo, which I'm going to link right up here in the card area in case you guys are interested. A bit of the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Translucent, which is my favorite, and I'm just going to gently set CC cream. I'm just gonna bronze up my face. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores bronzer in the shade Beach, right around my temple area. Just gonna warm up the face just so that it matches the rest of my body. Apply a bit of the concealer onto my eyelid as my eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, and just set that very lightly. Beautiful palette from Milani Cosmetics. This is an Ulta exclusive. This is called the Gilded Desires Eye and Face Palette. 6 matte, and you have 6 shimmer metallic shadows, and then you have 2 highlighters down here at the bottom with a fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna pick up this shadow right down here, which is a matte brown, Crazy for Cocoa. Gonna work this right into that transition area, holding the brush at an angle just so that it really carves out that crease. I'm going to just take the brush and swish it on one of these mattes that have, it's kind of like a little groove on the inside, and this is great because it cleans off your brushes really quickly. It kind of gets rid of all that excess shadow so you can switch out your shadows. Got this really pretty maroon shadow. This one is called Time to Unwind. Work this color also right in that crease area just to really deepen it up. Clarity E30 brush. Pick up a bit of this matte brown, which is called Would You Join Me. Place the shadow right into that crease area, stopping right on the center of the eyeball. Go in with a clean blending brush and just diffuse everything a little bit more. Cream colored shadow up here called Naked Truth. Just a tad bit on my pinky, and I'm just going to place it right here on this portion since it is a bit too high. Blend it out further. I'm gonna go back in with the same Clarity brush, a matte black called Black Tie Affair. Top off the excess, and we're gonna place this right on to the outer third of the eye. My finger, I'm gonna pick up this gorgeous gold color, Desire for Gold. Pop this to the center of the lid. Next, with my pinky finger, Most Covet Rose. And we're gonna pop this right onto that inner third of the eye and try to layer that on top of the gold color. The Sigma E35 tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of the matte brown, Crazy for Cocoa, to that crease area, just very gently because we don't want to touch any of the metallic shadows. Take a bit more of that black shadow just to fade it. I'm going to go in with the clean blending brush. I have quite a bit of fallout with the shadow. Dust that off. I'm going to take one of these Q-tips. These are actually from Daiso. I'm going to link my Daiso Japan haul up here in the corner if you guys haven't seen it. Pre-moistened Q-tip. Clean up the edges. I want a nice crisp edge. Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This one is in the shade Neutral Beige. Too Faced Peach Perfect mattifying loose setting powder. To set the under eye concealer. Since I'm recreating this look, I can't really remember exactly all the steps I did to create the eye look, so I'm trying to just remember, but I think what I did was I went back in with a bit of this wine color with the carroty brush, and I wanted to incorporate that back into the crease, so I think I just went in very gently. Short shader brush, I took wine shadow and I just dragged this along my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in and line my eyes with the Sigma liquid pen eyeliner. Urban Decay 24-hour glide on pencil. This one is in the shade Bourbon. I'm gonna tight line. I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply generous coats of the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. For my lashes today, I'm going to be using these from the brand Esquito. My favorite, my ride or dies, these are in the style Lash Lorette. Esquito Lash Companion Glue, which is my favorite as well. While I'm waiting for the lash glue to dry, I'm going to go ahead and just contour, bring back some definition to the face with the Profusion Contour Makeup Case. Don't forget to also bring it down your neck. The blush I'm going to be using is from L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush, Just Curious, and it pretty much goes with any eye look. Plus, it's a drugstore. This gorgeous highlight called Highlight of the Day. Dip your brush in here. You want to make sure that you're actually dipping it in the highlight. I dipped my brush into the black shadow because I wasn't paying attention. I was just kind of dipping it, and then I applied it to my face, and I literally had a black streak right here as my highlight. To apply it right onto the collarbones and also on the top of my shoulder. Just gonna go back in with my Sigma liner just to fill in any gaps. For the lips, I'm first gonna line them with the ColourPop Lippy Aquarius. The lippy today is from the brand Essence Cosmetics. This is their Vibrant Shock Lip Paint, the shade Voyeur. What I decided to do was I picked up a bit more of this wine shadow with the short shader brush, and I just swept it right along the lower lash line just so that it would smoke out the look a little bit more. They were more defined in that video. Here's the completed look. I love the way how it turned out. I'm hoping that it's pretty much the exact look that I was wearing in my previous two videos. I hope it inspires you to recreate this look. Just makes you glow and it makes your eyes really pop. So if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. Hit that bell notification to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.